In front of me is Nubia Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist. After you launch it, you need to hit consent, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then to access wallpaper settings, use this gear at the top left corner and adjust all of them however you want to. Then click on the top right corner, bottom right corner, set as live wallpaper, yes, set wallpaper, and last but not least, click on one of those options to decide where you wish to apply it, and go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!